Did you know that the difference between a great savings account and an average one could mean missing out on hundreds, if not thousands of dollars over the years? Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 high-yield savings accounts for 2024 that are making it easier than ever to grow your money safely. If you've ever wondered whether your bank is really giving you the best deal, this video is a must-watch. Stay tuned because I'll also reveal a surprising account that's outperforming all expectations. Let's kick things off with an old favorite, American Express, or Amex as we all know it. Now, most people think of Amex for their credit cards, but their high-yield savings accounts is no joke either. As of right now, Amex is offering an APY of 4.25%, which is incredibly competitive. One of the big selling points here is that there are no monthly fees and no minimum balance requirements. That means you don't have to worry about hidden charges eating into your savings. Plus, with Amex's reputation for top-tier customer service, you know you're in good hands. One downside though is that Amex doesn't offer a physical branch. This is a fully online savings account, although this is a common thing for most high-yield savings accounts. So if you like in-person banking, this might not be your first choice. Another thing to consider is that as of now, your Amex savings account is not compatible with Zelle. But for the majority of us, the combination of high interest rates, their great reputation, and zero fees makes Amex a solid pick. But what if you want an account that gives you flexibility, great interest, and some unique benefits? That's where this next bank comes in. All right, let's talk about Marcus by Goldman Sachs. If you're someone who values simplicity and flexibility, Marcus is a great choice. They're currently offering a 4.4% APY, which is still highly competitive. But what I love about Marcus is how straightforward they are. No fees, no minimum balance, and the ability to move money in and out of your account with ease. One feature that really sets Marcus apart is their no penalty certificate of deposits, otherwise known as CDs. Hi, Editor Chase here, coming in to make a very important distinction and clarification explanation. Yes, Marcus does offer no penalty CDs, but they also offer 2 other types of CDs, a high yield CD and a rate bump CD. There are different requirements for each one, and you're more than welcome to take a look at this page here to figure out which one's best for you. Marcus does provide calculators for each of the 3 different CDs to help you figure out how much money you'll make after your initial deposit and that length of time that you choose. This makes Marcus a fantastic option for someone who's a bit more risk averse, but still wants to earn more passive income outside of a traditional high yield savings account. The user experience with Marcus is seamless, and since they're backed by Goldman Sachs, you know you're working with a trusted institution. However, Marcus by Goldman Sachs does not work with Zelle. However, keep that interest rate of 4.4% in mind because the next savings account we're jumping into gives Marcus a run for its money. Next up is SoFi, and let me tell you, I've been using SoFi personally for 2 years now, and I have enjoyed it every step of the way. With the SoFi savings account, you're looking at a 4.5% APY, one of the highest on the market. But what really sets SoFi apart is how it combines both checking and savings in one place. No need to juggle around multiple accounts. You can manage everything in one app. SoFi will automatically open a saving and a checking account when you sign up. It is not possible to open up one or the other or to close one or the other. It's like dating a conjoined twin. You get either both or you get none of them. And yes, your SoFi checking account is now compatible with Zelle. So just instantly transfer your money between your SoFi checking and your SoFi savings accounts, and then use your SoFi checking account for Zelle transactions. Another thing to consider is that you need to sign up for direct deposits or deposit at least $5,000 every 30 days in order to unlock the 4.5 or the highest interest rate available. If you don't do any of those things, you will only earn an interest rate of 1.2%. SoFi also offers a useful vaults feature, allowing you to set aside money for specific savings goals while keeping it separate from your main spending account or your main savings account. Whether you're saving for a vacation, an emergency fund, or a big purchase, vaults help you stay organized without the need to open multiple high-yield savings accounts. You can create multiple vaults and easily track progress towards every goal, all while earning the same high interest rates as your primary SoFi savings account. It's a great way to stay on top of your financial goals and build savings efficiently. I use this feature every month and it helps me organize my money. SoFi also has no fees or minimum balances needed. I do, however, have to mention that SoFi also has other tools available outside of its savings account, such as a credit card and other financial planning tools. SoFi is also currently offering a cash bonus of up to $300 when you set up direct deposits, and it's super easy to qualify. Here's how it works. Once you set up a direct deposit of $1 or more, you have 25 days to reach certain deposit amounts. Depending on how much you deposit during that 25-day time, you will qualify for a cash bonus. If you deposit $1,000 to $4,999.99, you'll get a $50 bonus. If you deposit $5,000 or more, you'll get a $300 bonus. And no, these direct deposits do not need to be in one singular transaction, one singular deposit. It could be the sum of all of those direct deposit transactions within that 25-day period. After that 25-day period ends, SoFi will deposit your bonus into your account within around 7 business days. If you're interested in snagging that $300 cash bonus with SoFi, you can sign up using my affiliate link down below. Not only will this link help you get started with SoFi, but you can also check out some of the other high yield savings accounts that I'll be talking about in this video. If you're someone who's all about getting the absolute best interest rate, then you're going to want to check out the next account on our list. Next up is UFB Direct, and this one's all about maximizing that interest rate. UFB Direct is currently offering a stunning 5.15% APY. Yeah, you heard that right, 5.15%. This is one of the highest interest rates that you'll find right now in 2024. And like the others, UFB comes with no monthly maintenance fees and no minimum deposit requirements. Similar to the other banks I already mentioned, UFB Direct is online only and FDIC insured. One thing to keep in mind is that UFB does not offer as many bells and whistles as a bank like SoFi does, which offers financial planning tools and reward programs, etc. But if you're laser focused on getting the best return on your money, UFB Direct should be on your radar. Also, UFB Direct savings accounts are not compatible with Zelle. That 5.15% rate is tough to beat. Before we dive into the fifth bank, I've got a bonus bank you don't want to miss. The Wealthfront Cash Account is a standout high yield savings account option for those who want to earn a solid interest rate while benefiting from a range of helpful features. As of now, Wealthfront offers a competitive 5% APY, making it one of the higher interest rates in the market. One of the key advantages of the Wealthfront Cash Account is its integration with the company's financial planning and investment services. This means you could seamlessly move funds between your savings accounts and investment portfolios, making it a great choice for those looking to both save and invest. Wealthfront's cash account offers no account fees, no minimum balance, and FDIC insurance coverage up to $8 million through partner banks, which is far higher than the typical $250,000 of insurance you find with most other banks. This added layer of protection can give you peace of mind if you plan on depositing larger sums of money. Another noteworthy feature is the automation tools built into the account. Wealthfront allows you to set up automated transfers and savings goals, making it easier to save without thinking about it. The app also integrates with your other financial accounts, providing a full picture of your financial health and helping you track your progress towards specific goals. No, Wealthfront unfortunately does not work with Zelle. If you're looking for a tech-savvy, efficient way to save and invest, Wealthfront's cash account is definitely worth considering. But before you make any decisions, I have one more bank for you to check out. All I have to say is that Ally Bank is a favorite high yield savings account for a reason. First off, they are compatible with Zelle, which seems to be hard to come by in the world of high yield savings accounts. The Ally Bank online savings account is a strong option for anyone seeking a combination of competitive rates and useful features. Right now, Ally is offering a 4.2% APY, which is a solid return on your savings, and it comes with no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements, making it a great choice for savers of all levels. One of the standout features of Ally is its innovative savings buckets tool. This feature allows you to divide your savings into up to 10 different buckets for various financial goals, like an emergency fund, vacation, or new car, while still earning the same high interest rates. It's a great way to stay organized and focused on reaching multiple goals at once without needing separate accounts. This is very similar to the vaults I mentioned earlier with SoFi Bank. If you've never used a feature like this before, a vaults feature or bucket feature, I highly recommend giving it a try with a bank that does offer it. It is incredibly simple, but it can make a huge difference in how you manage and grow your savings. I could personally attest to that. With FDIC insurance up to $250,000, excellent customer service, and a user-friendly online platform, Ally Bank is designed to help you manage and grow your savings with ease. If any of these banks caught your eye, be sure to check the links in the description below to learn more and get started. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Shoots.